Hello, good people. This is Freerock Investments out here. I'm going to show you our 5 kilowatt residential hybrid solar system. And from the sunlight, we are harnessing 8 by 580 watts, which outputs 4,640 watts of power. And inside this home, let me show you, we have a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter and a 12 kilowatt hour of battery capacity, which is powering the whole house. And our technician is ensuring that all things are in order and the solar panels are firmly connected enough and connected correctly according to all standards. So for more information, contact our team and we will take you through. Thank you.